Hello, you all. Thanks for joining me on today. Welcome to Infinity Investments Realty. Presenting myself, Zokia Smith. I am a real estate expert. The topic on today is learning about loans before approval. This information is public information. You can Google this at any time. If you're interested in connecting with me, my direct line is 510-432-7341. If you want to send over an email, my email is imagentzokia20@gmail.com. And for your records, my Dre number is 020-66156. A little bit about myself. I am very passionate about helping families build wealth through home ownership. My brokerage that holds my license is Infinity Investments Realty. My brand is Zokia Smith, Real Estate LLC. Own your freedom. Very powerful slogan. One of my greatest accomplishments is being a mother of 3 beautiful children. I am honored to be featured in the American Lifestyle magazines. They are totally complimentary and free to you at your own request. Let's dive into the educational part of this presentation. What is a mortgage? A mortgage is an agreement between you and the lender that gives the lender the right to take your property if you fail to repay the money you've borrowed plus interest. Mortgage loans are used to buy a home or to borrow money against the value of a home you already own. A 15-year mortgage, your money mortgage is paid off quicker with monthly payments versus a 30-year mortgage. Your mortgage is paid off slower with smaller monthly payments. This is good information. Here are some pros and cons for a 15-year mortgage. A pro is lower interest, less money over the life of the loan. The cons are higher monthly payment, harder to qualify for. For your 30-year mortgage, a pro is lower monthly payment, bigger tax break. Your con to that is higher interest, more money over the life of the loan. Here are some loans you may be interested in as well. FHA, that one's really popular. With that, a low down payment government loan, it's insured by the Federal Housing Association, flexible credit review, fixed or adjustable rate, limited closing costs, no prepayment penalty, available to individuals with low credit scores or no credit history. So that one is a good one. Next, we have USDA. That one is also a government loan insured by the U.S. Department of Agriculture Rural Housing Program, applies to moderate income individuals in eligible rural areas, no down payment required, low mortgage rates, 100% financing, reduced monthly mortgage insurance, closing costs can come from a gift, easy to qualify for. For a VA, maybe you're in the service, provided by a private lender, guaranteed by the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, designed to help veterans become homeowners. No down payment, no cash reserves, no application fee, no monthly mortgage insurance premiums. Funding fee may be financed. Seller can help pay closing costs and low interest rates. FHA is a really good one, and it is used for low-income families as well. You also have here the 203K plan. Is something like rehabilitation. You can use this loan for fixing up your property. As said here, the pros to this is great for buying a fixer-upper. Allows you to finance purchase plus 30K in remodel costs, only 3.5 down payment, build equity fast, no DIY, must hire a pro contractor. And that's the con to that. Will take longer to close, not available from all lenders, and more paperwork, of course. But this one here is a really good one. Mortgage broker will go into details about your options there. Definitely look into that. Maybe you found a fixer and you're interested in doing something. Home ownership is the goal. So maybe you found a fixer upper and you're ready to do something with it. Definitely look into this as well. FHA versus conventional. FHA requires as little as 3.5 down. Loan is assumable, can qualify even after a foreclosure or bankruptcy after time lapse. More credit flexibility, can use gifted funds, can have co-signers. So that's a plus. Maybe you're short on money and you have family members who have the money to help you with your closing costs. It can also be gifted to you from your family. And here we are. So we have conventional, often have lower rates of mortgage insurance, does not require upfront mortgage insurance, can be adjustable rates or fixed. Mortgage insurance can be terminated. So these are really, really good. FHA is less favorable in the seller's market, but possible to get an offer accepted with the right realtor. For myself, I've actually closed an FHA deal, so it is very possible to get the job done. My suggestion is to keep searching high and low because the property is out there. It doesn't have to come all fixed up. It may come as a fixer. And with that FHA or that 203K, you can definitely get the job done. Home ownership is the goal. Now we're getting into the appraisal part of the presentation, which is critical for FHA, of course, in this market, but it is definitely possible. FHA appraisal checklist. This is what the inspectors are going to look for. Foundation, roof, siding, chimney, water and electricity, lead paint and drywall, drainage, signs of pests, pool, operational appliances, location, depending on the noise, proximity to gas and power lines. But they won't really focus too much on general wear and tear. And then I have a couple of points here. Conventional loans don't require appraisal. So in this market, 2021, we are seeing a lot of loans where we are not getting appraisals done. And that is solely on what the seller wants and the seller's agent knowledge of how this process works. FHA loans, on the other hand, require appraisal. So this is really critical. And this is part of the reason why it is a little tough getting FHA accepted, because they are a little strict on different guidelines that they have in order to get the job done. So conventional seems to be an easier route to go. But if you're working with the right realtor, of course, as I said in the beginning, then you definitely have a good chance. And that was the end of the presentation. Just wanted to throw out a few tips, a few points. Once again, I am not a lender, but I am very well connected to a mortgage company who does a really great job. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on what to look out for and just give you a little bit of information on the different loans that you may approve for so that you'll have the knowledge here. You can definitely Google all this information. A lot of real estate and things like that is definitely on the internet and it's very accessible. So with that being said, hopefully you got something out of it. Hopefully one of these loans strikes your interest. And of course, you didn't have to have all the money in the world, but these things are very, very helpful. And hopefully you got something out of it. If you want to reach out anytime, definitely send a message over. Hey, if you're interested in any magazines, definitely send a message over. I'll get them over to you. Thank you guys so much for your time and have a great day.